You're staring at the analytics from your last sales page launch. The conversion rate is brutal, and all you can think is, last time my copy totally flopped. What if I just repeat the same mistakes? If you've launched sales copy that didn't convert, that fear is completely justified.
You spent hours writing, you published it with hope, and then crickets, no sales, terrible conversion rates, complete failure. Now you're stuck wondering, was it the headline, the offer, the overall message? You have no idea what went wrong, which means you have no idea how to fix it. So you're paralyzed, afraid to try again because you might just waste more time making the same mistakes you can't even identify. Here's how to diagnose what went wrong and avoid repeating those mistakes. First, review your headline. Did it speak to a specific pain point or just describe your product? Weak headlines describe features. Strong headlines trigger emotional responses by highlighting problems or promising transformations. Second, check your opening. Did you immediately address your customer's problem in their language, or did you talk about yourself and your company? Failed sales letters often spend too much time on credentials and not enough time on customer pain. Third, analyze your structure. Did you follow a proven framework like problem, agitate, solve, or did you just list features and benefits randomly? Copy without structure feels disjointed and fails to build momentum toward the sale. Fourth, look at your objections. Did you address every reason someone might not buy? Price concerns, time concerns, skepticism about results? If you didn't tackle these head-on in your copy, people left without buying. Fifth, evaluate your call to action. Was it clear and specific, or vague and passive? Click here to learn more is weak. Get instant access to the complete system now is strong. Sixth, consider your research. Did you actually know your customers' pain points, or were you guessing? Most failed sales letters fail because they're based on assumptions instead of real customer insights. Go through your failed sales letter and identify which of these elements was missing or weak, then rewrite those specific sections using proven frameworks. This diagnostic process works. You can systematically identify and fix the problems in your sales copy. But here's the reality. This assumes you can objectively evaluate your own writing and know which frameworks to apply. Most people can't see their own blind spots. You might fix one problem and create another without realizing it. The challenge is objectively diagnosing what went wrong and making sure you catch every problem, not just the obvious ones. That's where having a structured diagnostic helps. The AI copywriting checklist walks you through the exact elements that separate converting copy from failing copy. In under 5 minutes, you'll know exactly what broke your last sales letter and what to fix before your next launch. Click the link in the description to get your free checklist.